How to reset Excel settings to default. To reset Excel settings to their default values, you can follow these steps. 1. Close Excel if it's currently open. 2. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. 3. Type in %of/Microsoft/Excel and click OK. This will open the Excel folder in the File Explorer. 4. Inside the Excel folder, locate a file named excel15.xlb or excel16.xlb, depending on your Excel version, and delete it. This file stores the customizations and settings for Excel. 5. Restart Excel. By deleting the Excel customization file, you effectively remove any customizations and settings you have made, returning Excel to its default state. Plan B, delete the Excel key at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Office/16.0/Excel in Registry Editor. Please note that resetting Excel settings will revert any personalized configurations you have made, such as toolbar modifications, ribbon customizations, or specific settings changes. It's recommended to back up any important customizations before proceeding with the reset.